Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Confianands, and this is Pandana. How are you guys doing today? Let me know by writing in the comment section down below. Wait, I'm not gonna tell you how I achieved this look right here, but it's gonna be a DIY skincare video today. Daily we all are on the go, either to school, college, work, or simply a trip, or maybe a date. And finally we are struck with a lot of dirt, pollution and tan on our skin. So today I'm gonna share with you my favorite method of getting rid of tan, dirt and pollution. I love to do this on my skin because it not only removes tan but also rejuvenates your skin, making it soft and supple. So with no further ado, let's get started with the video. So we are gonna do this treatment in 3 steps. Number 1, cleansing. Number 2, exfoliating. And number 3, the mask. For this treatment, you just need a few things right from your kitchen and a tiny bit of patience. For the purpose of video, I'm going to demonstrate it on my hand, but you can go ahead and apply it on your face and body as well. For the first step, which is cleansing, you just need a small cup of raw milk. With the help of a cotton ball, apply the raw milk onto your skin. Milk is an excellent cleanser. It penetrates deep into your skin and removes dirt from the pores. Apply 4 to 5 coats of it and massage it gently, and then wash it with the normal water and pat it dry with a clean towel. For exfoliating, you need lemon juice and powdered sugar. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix it well, and your scrub is ready. We already know lemon juice is a magical ingredient for skincare. It heals acne, lightens dark spots and blemishes. Sugar helps in exfoliating and removing dead skin. Take the scrub on your skin and massage it gently in circular motions for 2 minutes. And then wash it off with normal water and pat it dry with a towel. And for the mask, you need some gram flour or besan, turmeric and cucumber paste. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons of gram flour, add a pinch of turmeric and 5 to 6 tablespoons of cucumber paste. Now mix it well to form a smooth paste. Gram flour is a great ingredient which helps to remove dirt and tan and also lightens your skin. Turmeric has antibacterial benefits, and cucumber has great anti-inflammatory property which cures skin burns and provides good hydration to the skin. Apply the mask evenly and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and let it air dry. Then rinse it with normal water. That's it. You're gonna see a great difference instantly, and for best results, repeat this once a week. And here is a before and after for you. So hope you all like this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you try this method, please come back and leave a comment about your experience so that others can benefit from it. That's it for this video, and I'll see you real soon. Till then, be beautiful, be confident. Bye.